So today we're going to talk about the circle. You did this in Form 2. Can any one of you tell me what is the difference between one circle and the other? What makes it different? Okay, so a circle is basically made up of a center. So I'm going to mark a center O for you. Now, as you said, a center has a radius and the circle is made up of this radius. So I'm going to draw a particular circle, a circle of radius 5 centimeters. So I'm going to use a compass and a ruler to construct this circle. Okay, so there is the circle. Now I'm going to mark the radius for you so that you can see it properly here. So I'm going to mark any radius, okay, but as you can see, if I just go around the circle with the ruler, it's 5 centimeters all around. That is a circle, okay? It's the same distance from the center to the circumference. So let me put this down for you. So this line I'm going to draw is the radius. Okay, so that line is the radius. And another important line here in the circle, it's not a line really, is the circumference of the circle. As you know, the outline, the perimeter of the circle is known as the circumference. It is referring to the very edge of the circle, the length of the edge of the circle. Okay, then, next thing is the diameter. Can any one of you draw any diameter on that circle? Can you tell me of any diameters shown there? Okay, so let me draw one for you. Mela, I'm going to use a ruler. I'm going to use a different color for it so you can see it properly. Okay, so that line there that I'm going to draw now is known as the diameter of the circle. The circle has many diameters in it. The one I've drawn is only one of them. Okay, by the way, something that I didn't mark here properly for you is the center of the circle. I'm going to draw it now. It's a little bit big, but I would like you to see it properly. In your case, when you have to mark the center of the circle, you mark it with a little dot. Okay, so this is the center of the circle. Okay, something new for this year is the word arc. What is an arc? An arc of a circle is part of the circumference of the circle. Alright, so Okay, so what is an arc? Do you know any word in the English language where we use the word arc? We refer to arc in some way or another where we... Okay, so an arc is any part of the circumference of the circle. So if I use a highlighter and shade an arc here, this circle here that part of the circle here, the shaded yellow part of the circumference, is known to be as the major arc. But what is a major arc? What makes it different from an arc? As you can see, the circumference of the circle was divided into two parts. The major arc, the big arc, and the small arc, the one that I'm going to show here now. So the green one here, the green part there, is known as the minor arc. Very good. The last part, the last thing for today. If I had to shade that part there, that would have to be a sector. Okay, so that is all that you need to know today. Those words there, written there, those are the important things that you need to know today.